Did you know that some of the world's most successful people, from top athletes to billionaires, swear by one powerful practice? Visualization. It might sound like something straight out of a self-help book, but science backs it up. Visualizing your goals can rewire your brain and significantly increase your chances of success. In this video, I'll show you exactly how visualization works, why it's not just wishful thinking, and most importantly, how you can start using it today to create wealth and achieve your financial goals. Stay with me because this simple practice could completely transform your life. The science behind visualization. Visualization isn't just a feel-good exercise. It has a real impact on your brain. Studies show that when you vividly imagine an action or outcome, your brain activates the same neural pathways as if you were physically experiencing it. For example, research conducted on athletes found that mentally rehearsing their sports performance had almost the same effect on muscle memory as actual physical training. The same principle applies to success and financial goals. When you consistently visualize yourself succeeding, whether it's landing a big client, building a thriving business, or hitting your savings target, your brain starts to recognize those outcomes as achievable. This primes your mind to spot opportunities, overcome challenges, and take the necessary actions toward making those goals a reality. It's like programming your brain for success. Why visualization works for wealth creation. Visualization isn't magic. It's a tool that taps into your brain's reticular activating system, or RAS. This part of your brain acts like a filter, helping you notice information and opportunities that align with what you focus on. Let's break it down. If you've ever decided to buy a certain car and suddenly started seeing that exact model everywhere, that's your RAS at work. When you visualize financial success, whether it's doubling your income or launching a successful business, your brain becomes more attuned to spotting opportunities that lead you there. But there's more. Visualization also boosts confidence. When you vividly picture yourself achieving your goals, your brain builds a sense of familiarity with success. And what we're familiar with, we're less afraid to pursue. How to practice visualization for financial success. To start practicing visualization, it's important to first define what financial success looks like to you. Is it a certain income level, being debt-free, or creating a successful business? The clearer you are about your goals, the more effective your visualization will be. When you visualize, try to engage all your senses. Imagine not just seeing the money or success, but also feeling the emotions that come with achieving it. Picture the lifestyle you'd be living. Where are you? What are you doing? How does it feel to have financial freedom? This multisensory approach helps your brain better connect with your goals. It's also essential to make visualization a daily practice. Set aside just 5 to 10 minutes each day, in the morning or before you go to bed. The more regularly you do it, the more powerful it becomes. And remember, visualization alone isn't enough. It works best when combined with action. After visualizing your success, take one small step toward it every day, whether it's setting a financial goal or making a plan to invest. Visualization helps to keep you motivated, but it's your actions that bring results. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. While visualization is a powerful tool, many people fall into traps that prevent them from seeing results. One of the biggest mistakes is being too vague. If your vision is unclear, it will be harder for your brain to recognize opportunity. Rather than simply imagining yourself being rich, take the time to define exactly what financial success means to you. Visualize specific goals like growing your income to a certain level, owning property, or achieving a debt-free lifestyle. Another mistake is focusing only on the end result. While it's important to visualize your goals, it's equally important to visualize the process. Imagine the steps you need to take, the decisions you'll make, the hard work, the learning. This helps break down the goal into actionable pieces and makes the journey feel more attainable. Many people also overlook the emotional aspect of visualization. Just imagining the outcome isn't enough. You need to feel the emotions tied to your success. The excitement, the pride, the relief. These emotions not only make the visualization more real, but also strengthen your belief in your ability to succeed. Finally, inconsistency can hinder progress. Visualization isn't a one-time exercise. It needs to be practiced daily. The more consistent you are, the more natural it will become. Make visualization part of your daily routine, and over time, you'll begin to see the impact on your mindset and action. How to use visualization to transform your life. Now that you understand the power of visualization and how to use it effectively, it's time to put it into practice. Start today, even if it's just for a few minutes, and make visualization a part of your daily routine. The more vivid and emotional your visualization, the stronger its impact will be on your mindset and actions. Remember, it's not about just imagining success. It's about believing you can achieve it. Visualization helps you program your brain for success and primes you to take the right actions toward your financial goals. But it's not just about seeing your dreams. It's about making them real. Visualizing wealth and success will inspire you to pursue opportunities, overcome obstacles, and take consistent action toward achieving your financial freedom. So, the question is, what's the first thing you're going to visualize today to set yourself on the path to financial success? If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your visualization goals. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, start visualizing your future. It's already on the way.